What do you usually do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually chat and go shopping.
Chat and go shopping?
Yes.
About chatting, who do you usually chat with?
I usually chat with my friends.
With your friends?
Yes.
Do you prefer to chat with Facebook on the phone?
On the phone, I prefer to chat on the phone.
On the phone?
Yes.
Why do you prefer to chat? Why do you prefer to chat on the phone?
Because it's very easy and convenient.
Because it's very easy and convenient?
Yes.
Which chat application is best?
Skype. I like Skype.
Skype best?
Yes.
Have you ever chatted with a partner before?
No, I haven't.
Okay. About go shopping, what kind of things do you usually buy?
Food. I usually buy food.
Food?
Yes.
Who do you usually go shopping with?
I usually go shopping with my friends.
With your friends?
Yes.
Where do you usually go shopping?
In a supermarket. I usually go shopping in a supermarket.
Supermarket?
Yes.
Is it far from the house?
It takes me about 30 minutes by bus to get there.
30 minutes?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.